mini electric chainsaw. So what is it inside?
Lubrication.
What's this?
Lubrication.
Lubrication. This is the
Bulletin.
manual instruction.
Charger.
Charger.
Battery.
Battery.
Do we need volt battery?
Do we need to charge it first?
Yeah.
And this is the chainsaw itself. Look at that!
Screwdriver. This to tighten and loosen. Okay. Now, and it has a handle. Very nice handle.
The battery goes that way.
Now, put the battery and
Need to charge?
yeah, I need charge.
Okay. The protection?
Yeah, that's protection.
Okay. So we need to charge it first.
Okay, let's charge it. Let's go to try it with a piece of wood. Press it in and push this one down. Okay, 1, 2.
How clean.
Nice. Clean cut.
Nice.
Pretty good.
Yeah, like that. Okay.
Very nice. Yes.
We tried this SAKER chainsaw, mini chainsaw. It's very easy to use, even for me. And the size is just good. And it can cut wood. We didn't try for the big one yet, but I think it's gonna be okay. Green. I'm going to cut some wood today. It's very easy to use it. Let's see. Eating it. want to cut this one. So check it out. It's very easy. Just press
Yeah,
this one.
no, these are
Very good.
nice. What are you gonna do? Cut the bamboo?
Yeah, cut this one. Thank you.
Okay, so here we are. You cut bamboo.
This is the real one.
Right. We're gonna go with the big weed, okay?
Be careful. Ah,
You can see.
easy busy, like a butter.
Bamboo.
Okay.
Alright.
Yes. Okay, so what do you say about that?
Very easy to use. Simple button action for your
For
safety.
safety, yeah.
And then press.
Okay, okay.
Very convenient.
So I have my neighbor. He tried this one and he loved it, and I love it, and we love it. So very easy. So after we use this chainsaw, and we have the conclusion that this chainsaw is great. It really does a good job cutting limbs and branches with no problem, and it's more faster than the regular saw, the small one that we have, and it's easy to use and lightweight. It's very portable and convenient. We definitely will take it with us when we are camping, and it's nice color. Of course, it's blue.